Hey, Johnny and Charlie and Ollie. We are at the top of my property. This is the top of the mountain. Through those trees is the valley. And right up there's the top. And this is where I get this sand, this gravel, with my tractor, with my backhoe. And I put it in my dump truck. This is the dump truck. And I'm going to show you both. We're going to warm this up first. And then, Johnny, I know you like backhoes, so today is going to be all about, well, not the whole day, but just this part. This is going to be, we'll call today Backhoe or rama. Backhoe or rama. It's just, we're going to scoop all this dirt. We're going to break it out with the backhoe, and then we're going to scoop it up and put it in the tractor, or in the dump. So today's kind of cold, so we have to put our finger on this button here for just a minute. We count to like 30. Oh, there's some apples. Hang on. This came off an apple tree. The bear ate most of them, but delicious. Okay, I think that might be enough. Let's see if we can. There you go. I'm not a bear. It was really good. Can you eat an apple that fat? Put it in your cheeks like a chipmunk. Johnny, I think you know how to eat an apple that fast, or how to put it in your cheeks. So, this is the dump truck. Here's the batteries. Here's the steps to get up. This is where the operator sits. Steering wheel. These two levers, this is the PTO, and this what makes it dump. So when we get to the place and it's full of dirt, I pull this back and then I pull that back. But first, this little handle right here, I take this off and I push this down, and what that does, look, see that? It goes out there all the way back to here, and right here, this little clip, that's that little hook. It comes down and I just let it go. So now the sand can come out. When I tilt it back, this gate will open and all the sand comes out. So now watch, I'll go shut this. So I push this up. This holds it up. That holds it up like that. Now this gate is locked, and so I can't do anything with it. And this is a little lever thing that just lets sand come out in one spot. So that's the truck. Here's the big gas tank. There's the engine. Look, it's yellow. That's a Cat engine. Very powerful Caterpillar. Cat is good. So, and I changed buckets. There's an old bucket. This is the big bucket with lots of teeth. And it scrapes and it fills up. So, okay, I think we're good to start. back off. Here's another apple if you want one. This is gravel that I've already piled up. Is that cool? Some people call this work. I don't know why. I can put about 5 or 6 scoops into my truck. And I left the door open, which means possibly some dust will go in there, which wasn't smart. But today's not too dusty. There's the beep when I go in reverse. Beep, beep, beep. Johnny, this handle right here, this is what makes it go up. And then when I turn it that way, I push it, I stop, and so now I push it that way and it dumps. I push it that way and it goes up. And then I put this in reverse and I back away, and then I push this down and over. Even have to think about it. Then I push this forward. See, this is going nowhere. This is going forward. This is going back. And then my gas pedal and my brake, just like a car. I press on the gas. So I come over here and I want to bring some of that dirt down. I'm going to get my scoop and I'm going to pull it down. See that? Pumping a wheelie. And then I come over here and I scoop it up. Try and get as much as I can with each scoop. Yesterday was the first day I got gravel out of here in many years. We'll get one more big scoop. Let's see what this looks like right here. Charlie, we're gonna use the backhoe now. So I put this in neutral, I pull this, and then I reach underneath my chair and I turn it around, and now I'm facing the backhoe. We're gonna open this so we can see better. I push these down. What are these called, Johnny? That's right, stabilizers. Give me a little gas, which I don't need any extra. And then these handles right here, this does the bucket left and right. See that? Here, I'll show you over here. I'll go that way. This goes up, down, up, down. This goes left, right, and then forward and back. So my hands are always doing this. So I'm gonna, and then I put this pedal right here. Watch, when I push it, it goes out. Hopefully you can see that, it goes out. When I push it this way, it comes back. So my feet and hands are always doing things. So I'm gonna get rid of some of that yucky dirt on top. We just want the white dirt, gravel. Let's get rid of that little tree there. Let's get rid of some of this. We have lots of cleaning up to do because we haven't done this in a long time. We don't want trees in our clean dirt. Whoa, Nelly. Get off of there. Okay, here we go. Let's move some of this forward. Pick up the speed a little bit. So, Grandpa's the operator. Someday Charlie will be the operator, and Johnny and Ollie. So next time I come back, I can scoop all this up. extender